Hello everyone, welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen. We're continuing our theme of Mediterranean style cooking. And if you remember way back in the first episode, we made some yellow rice with turmeric. That's really a staple in our household and one of our foundations for all the dishes we like to eat. But we also like to make white rice. White rice is made with a lot of the same ingredients, just without the turmeric. I love making this because this was actually the very first dish that Mom taught me almost 20 years ago. So it's definitely a lot of great memories. Here's what we'll need. Got our basmati rice, olive oil, we'll add some water and salt, and cardamom later. So the first thing we'll do, get our trusty olive oil and heat it up in the pan. So with this, we just want to cover the entire pan with olive oil, about that much. Then we'll add our basmati rice into our pan. And then saute it for about a minute. Then we'll add our water, about 1 bowl here. And then we'll add some salt over here. This is of course subjective, depends on how salty you'd like it to be. I think I'm going to add about this much salt. Then we'll cover it on medium heat. After it starts boiling, then we'll check the water. Once the water goes under the level of the rice, then we'll reduce it to low. After about 5 minutes on our stove, we'll check it, make sure all the water's dissolved. And it has there. So now we're done. We'll get it on a plate. Now we'll try some here. This dish is going down like memory lane. Delicious. Also wanted to show you this. This is some brown rice I made earlier. Basically the way I made it brown was by sauteing it a little bit longer. There's even red rice which you can make using tomatoes and tomato sauce. So a lot of great tips from Mom today. And thanks so much for joining us today. Appreciate you watching. I hope you join us next time where for the first time I'll attempt to make baklava. That'll be interesting. Hope you join us for that. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you next time.